Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? Happy New Year 2022 and welcome back to Yum Yum with the Alentonette, where cooking is simple, fun, and easy. If you're new here, welcome back. But if you're coming back for the first, second, or the third time, karibu sana. So guys, this happens to be our first video in 2022 and allow me to grace your screens with amazing recipes and content this year. So in today's video, we are going to be preparing a simple Kenyan Spanish omelette. So let me just take you through my ingredients. I have my onions, that is the red onion and the grass onion. I have some sausages, tomatoes, coriander, and in that last bowl, I have mixed spices, black pepper, chicken cubes, and of course salt to taste. And of course, our main recipe is the eggs. So guys, it's about to go down. So guys, first things first, we'll start by cracking off the shells of the egg. Then we are going to mix all the ingredients into the egg. I'm just going to add everything into the eggs, the sausages, and make sure your sausages are cooked before. I did my sausages before. Then we're just going to mix them well. I love the smell of the coriander. Allow me to take you to the next step. So guys, the first step is I'm going to light my gas. Then I'm going to let my pan heat for a while before I add in oil. I'm going to let it heat before I add in my cooking oil. It's good to go. Allow me to add in my cooking oil. And then I'm just going to spread it so that it touches all the parts of the pan. There we go. There we go. So let it heat for a while. Then we'll add in the mixture. Okay, so let me add in the mixture. So guys, once one side is done, we are going to flip it over. It's well done. So guys, you're going to flip it and then we'll give it a desired shape. On to the next one, guys. The same process applies. Spread your oil on the pan. Pour in your mixture. So check if the lower part is well done. Then you flip it. So guys, it's not yet done. Let's give it some time. Okay guys, so the other part is ready. Allow us to flip it. I hope you are flipping with me, guys. So guys, let us give it its desired shape. I love my eggs well done, to an extent that it looks like it's burning. So it's ready. So our second Spanish omelette is ready. It's joining its sister. Is it its sister or its brother? So guys, all said and done, that's it. That's how we prepare a simple Spanish omelette. Thank you so much guys for tuning in and watching our today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at the Alentonette. Follow our Facebook page at Yum Yum with the Alentonette. And